So it's going to be like Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm with a friend. Her name is Doyin of Doyin Beauty, the CEO of Doyin Beauty. And today we'll be trying the Korean ramen for the first time. And I'm teaching her how to make use of the chopsticks. Kaja! And then you have to you still haven't gotten it, but we'll give it a try. We'll continue with it either ways. So we're about to prepare the noodles. The hot water is on its way. The hot water is on its way. It's ready. Is it ready? Yeah. Okay. So now we're about to put the noodles.
Moments later.
Don't look at me, da. Ah. It's from up and down. Yeah, whoa. Mashiso? No more mashiso. No more mashiso. Using the chopsticks sometimes can be very tricky. Thank you for watching the video. See you in my next video. Bye guys. Bye.